Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you some free Letterbox templates based on popular resolutions and aspect ratios. You can find the download link in the video description if you're interested in using the letterbox to your videos. All the letterboxes are in PNG format, so you can use these letterboxes in any kind of video editing software. Now, I am going to show you how to use the letterbox for your film in Premiere Pro. Alright, as you can see, I have already created a 1920 by 1080p resolution sequence, which is a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and I have got some content on the timeline. Firstly, let's navigate to the folder where we downloaded the Letterbox templates. Once there, we need to extract the Letterbox templates file. And then, let's open the folder. Here, you will find the Letterbox folders for both 1080p, 4K, and 8K resolutions. Let's open the 1080p folder. Now you can see, there are a total of 9 different Letterbox templates to choose from. Next, let's drag and drop a letterbox into the Premiere Pro. Now you will see the letterbox has been imported to the project panel. In the next step, we have to drag and drop the letterbox on top of the video clips. Alright, now you can see that the letterbox has been applied perfectly. In this way, you can use the Letterbox templates in any kind of video editing software. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.